It started softly, a whisper on the wind of the digital world. A strange energy began to ripple across the globe on this day, August 25th, 2025. You may have felt it. A quiet tension in the air. A sense that something monumental was holding its breath, waiting to be known. News outlets began to hint at an unprecedented announcement. Not from a world leader or a financial institution, but from the silent depths of space. The source was a name many had come to associate with cosmic wonder, the James Webb Space Telescope. Something had been seen. To understand the weight of this moment, we must first understand the messenger. What is the James Webb Space Telescope? In simple terms, it is humanity's most powerful eye. It is a time machine. It is a marvel of engineering, a golden honeycomb of mirrors sent to drift in the cold, silent darkness of space, 1,000,000 miles from Earth. It is not like the telescopes on a mountaintop. It does not see the universe the way our eyes do. Its mission, to see a different kind of light, an ancient light called infrared, because it lets us see what was previously hidden. Think of the universe as a grand cosmic storybook. For centuries we could only read the most recent chapters, but with Webb we turn back the pages, a silent sentinel, a golden eye staring into the abyss. How does this incredible machine work its magic? The secret lies in its design. The James Webb Space Telescope is an infrared telescope. This is key. Much of the cosmos is shrouded in vast clouds of dust. Visible light cannot penetrate these clouds, but infrared light can. 18 hexagonal mirrors, each coated with a microscopically thin layer of pure gold. Gold reflects infrared exceptionally well. To detect faint heat, the telescope must be kept extremely cold. This is why Webb has an enormous 5-layer sun shield. This technology lets Webb achieve its primary goals. See the first light, watch how galaxies assemble, and study exoplanet atmospheres. Peer back 13.5 billion years to the first stars. Watch galaxies collide and grow into majestic spirals. When a planet passes its star, starlight filters through its atmosphere. Webb analyzes that light for chemical fingerprints, water, methane, carbon dioxide. Every new Webb image becomes scientific excitement and deep personal hope. The discovery did not come from the edge of time, but from a place relatively close to home. The telescope was pointed at the Carina Nebula, a familiar and beloved celestial object. It is a vast, turbulent stellar nursery, about 7,600 light-years away. A place of breathtaking beauty. Scientists have studied it for decades. They thought they knew it well. The initial images were stunning, but then they saw it. It was a structure, not a random cluster of stars or a natural swirl of gas. Webb's infrared eyes detected a pattern of shocking regularity. Hundreds of points of light, each equidistant, arranged in a vast three-dimensional lattice. The light was narrow, coherent, pulsing with a slow mathematical rhythm. It was utterly profoundly unnatural. They ran diagnostics. Other telescopes saw nothing. The signal was real. The news, when it finally broke, was delivered not with fanfare but with a sense of solemnity and awe. The lead scientists from NASA, ESA, CSA stood before the world. Dr. Anya Sharma spoke first. "We have found a pattern that does not conform to any law of nature we know. It conforms to the laws of mathematics. It conforms to the laws of intelligent design." Skepticism and electrifying excitement followed. Papers appeared overnight. Debates raged online and in academic halls. Could it be crystals? A gravitational lens? None of these explanations fit the perfect precision and coherent pulse. The simplest, uncomfortable conclusion: it was artificial. A structure nearly a light-year across. A monument, a message, we are here. The implications were staggering. Let us pause for a moment. Step away from the science and the speculation. Go outside on a clear night and look up, find the brightest star you can see. Think about the light from that star. It may have traveled years, centuries, or millennia to reach you. Space is defined by immense distances and by profound silence. We have shouted our questions into the void with mathematics, physics, rockets, and telescopes. The void never answered until now. The pulsing grid in the Carina Nebula is that knock. It breaks the long silence. The cosmos feels less like a wilderness and more like a neighborhood, strange, vast, but inhabited. Who built it? Why? Are they still there? Is it a tombstone or a lighthouse? It does not give answers, it gives a better question. The impact of this discovery extends far beyond the halls of science. It reframes our history, our religions, our philosophies. This grid suggests the cosmos is a far larger theatre than we knew. With a cast we have yet to meet, it may unite us. It may reshape politics, art and culture. It will certainly change our children. A generation will be born into a world where we know we are not alone. Their dreams and ambitions will be different. The search for extraterrestrial intelligence will be transformed into the most urgent and well-funded field of inquiry. It raises questions of security. Are we safe? Are we interesting? Are we relevant to beings who can manipulate stars? Perhaps this will forge a Terran identity, a global civilization looking outward. They may be the first generation of true galactic citizens. So, where do we go from here? The first step is to listen and to watch. Every major telescope in the world and in orbit will be dedicated to studying this anomaly. We will analyze every photon, every pulse, every flicker from the grid. We will build new instruments, design new sensors, and strain our ears and eyes for the next whisper. The pursuit of this knowledge will drive technology, expand our physics, and reshape our culture. The universe has given us a tiny piece of a larger puzzle. The invitation has been sent. Now we join the journey. The whisper has become a roar. The silence has been broken. The great cosmic story continues to unfold, and for the first time, we know we are not its only audience. Please like and subscribe to Cosmic Discover.